I'm getting pulled in. Here we go. Guys, I've been pulled. I think I've got everything right. I've done all my measurements, my checks and my movement orders, but you're always a wee bit nervous, so let's see how we get on. Wow. Always remember, be polite. You've got half a chance. Oh. I know. Could have given you that confusion.
Just a routine check off, okay?
That's fine. I'm
No
bother. I'm Sandy.
Sandy.
So, I'm Sandy.
I'm Kirsty.
Pleased to meet you, Kirsty.
Nice to meet you. Just a very routine inspection, alright, we'll do your tachographs. Special types, do you have a movement order?
Yep, movement order. I've got that email before, I can show you all
I'll
that.
see that in a wee minute.
Do you want my sorry, do you want my tacho out?
No, I'll leave it in because I'll put my card in and download it for there.
Okay, so I've just
leave everything in.
right.
Can I have a quick look actually at the movement order to see if we need to weigh the vehicle it's in?
It's better to cover all bases,
Aye,
like.
that's fine.
It was actually for 4 metres wide, but I had to change it down because they took the blade off. Give me 2 seconds. I actually had it because they fucking did send it through again. There we go. Before anyone on my channel always says about my movement orders getting checked right now, so if I've buggered this up, we're going to have it felt. Right, movement order's good. I've got to pull round into the bays now and we're getting my checks done next. But movement order, weight, times, all good. Cards are getting downloaded. My arse is like that. So everything, touch wood, but look the part. Keep all my cards correctly in this wee folder. Double, triple, quadruple checking everything with myself, and I am, I'll be honest, this is like MOTs but 10 times worse. You kind of know you're innocent, but you don't at the same time. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for that.
Take care.
Guys, that's a thank you. Will I go on the record? Yes. Oh yes, yes. What can I say? Yes. Oh. Done it. So the footage I covered in that roadside check, I was doing what I could and they were very happy for me to film, but at the same time I was more focused on making sure I had everything at hand that they asked for, because this isn't just a standard load, this is special types. I was very on the ball and obviously shitting myself as well. So they obviously went through my unit and the trailer and my load security, my tachograph and everything. They check everything, that is their job at roadside check. And obviously because this is special types, because this is obviously not a standardised load, we are on STGO. So that is my plates at the front here. So it's not just standard 44 tonne, I'm putting more chips on the table on this pool, right? 13mm chains, all good, tie down points, everything tied securely. All my marker boards as well, plus my front beacons, rear beacons, everything was in order there. Got my UTV beacons here, front beacon, bars, the whole lot. Very happy as well, because one thing I always get commented on it online on social media is movement orders. People saying that probably don't have a movement order, it's just a standardised thing that people say about me. Not movement order, she checked that, you've seen that in the video. Very happy, and you know, that was it. I had everything right in there, so it just shows double checking, triple checking everything, because even before I set off I had to amend the movement order. I had to check something, I could have just set off. Let's just set off. No, I made double checked it, phoned up Abhol and amended my movement order, and everything was correct there, so she was happy with that. Now we've passed unit and trailer, load, movement order, all good. So we did well there. But on the tachograph, right, on my tachograph, I did have some small infringements. So I did get pulled into, we call it the kind of office. They download my card, they check it all over, and I was asked to come in and see them. But like I said, I've got printouts, I've got everything written down in my diary, and I've got a record in here of anything. But it all was, I'm happy to say, just wee nicks here and here, nothing major. I was really happy. Just look, you know, you went 2 minutes over your time here, and I was like, that was getting back to the yard, got held up, and just wee things here. There was nothing of their concern to pull me up on and be like, right, what happened here? We need to check this further. Nope, they can see my cards were good as well. In my lorry as well, I carry recent brake tests of unit and trailer. If I have them done, I might as well carry them. This is my home and my office and everything as well. I carry basically everything I need, V5, in case I drop off a hat. They says, can we just see this? I've got it here. Also got my driver's license, CPC card holder, all up to date, all in check. Now the DVSA were doing their job, and I didn't get any special treatment, because if you've seen anybody else who makes content, runs trucks, they never get any special treatment either, so I wasn't expecting anything different. I had to be on the ball. They did, you know, like it says, do their job. They advised me where I could improve my tackles and just things here, and have questions why, and stuff here, and says, do you know? So I appreciate that of them, I really do. So I can't fault them. I got pulled in, I did all my side perfectly, they done their job, so I thank them for that. I'm very proud of myself, because I have been pulled 5 times as an owner-operator, right? 5 times, and I've had all clean passes. I've had all clean passes with my MOTs. I'm a green light operator, so despite what everybody on social media or other haters you get to say, like, oh, this and that, I don't know what I'm doing, well, there is your evidence that I am doing it right, or I'm doing my best to do it right, because this wasn't just a standardized load, this is special types, right? I had more chips on the table, I had more to lose going in there, and I am pretty stoked and very happy and very proud of myself right now. Yes, and I know that is a big thing to say, but come on! But that does not mean I am perfect. That does not mean I should let it go in my head. It means we're doing the right thing, and I should keep trying to do better than I was the day before. So I'm going to keep doing that. I will never change my ways. I always keep learning and pushing. I'm very happy with the result of today, and I know a lot of people won't be. A lot of people would probably have passed. They were really hoping, because it's already been popping up on my phone that I've been pulled in. But I'm really happy with the result. All these things are leading great. It says I've got my truck, I've got my trailer, I've got good work, good loads, good pass, everything, doing my best. It just shows you hard work and graft, you know what I mean, and focus will get you the results you want, and that is what I got today. So yeah. But guys, another thing I want to add to this video is when you get pulled into a weighbridge, any advice I can give you is the attitude test. The attitude test is the first test. If you fail the attitude test, you're just going to give you know what I mean, be polite, be pleasant, they're doing their job. I'm not going to lie, I've had difficult ones in the past, but the majority of them, I'll be honest, have been fine with me. So I can't fault it. Attitude test, be polite, be pleasant, give people their place, and you know what I mean, you should get in and out okay. Also, other things that help, I do keep my truck clean as I can, and I think that shows as well if I pull in on a clean truck. I try to keep myself well presented. I know these things seem like, why does that matter? That's not the point, but it's human presentation as well if you get pulled. I feel like you step out and they see your truck's clean, your inside's clean, you're clean, maybe you take pride in everything else you do, right? I certainly take pride in my business and in my job as well, right? So, yep, short and sweet, but it was all good. We got the result we wanted, so aye. If you've liked this video or hated it, but you've viewed it anyway, because I know it will be, but like, subscribe, everything, I always appreciate it. And aye, flat out, flat broke, boost.